Well, you guys, it's the start of a new job. In this specific job, we're going to be doing some cool stuff. We're going to be doing some retaining walls, nice porcelain tiles, some grass, in-ground trampoline with lights. We're going to be doing Wi-Fi lights. I'm super excited about that. And 2 fire pits, a barbecue island. It's going to be sick. So to begin with, we're gonna have to use the mule and the mini excavator with the buggy because we have no access to the skid steer. We are on this massive hill and we're going to be doing some planter boxes, some steps going down. I'm super excited about it. Nice lights. It's gonna be a good one. Now let's just hope that I don't fall coming down. We got the mini excavator. Boys cleaned out all the weeds. Oh yeah. So in this area, we're going to be doing a walkway, some grass, some plants. This area right here that we're standing on is going to be the pavers, barbecue, fire pits, grass, in-ground trampoline where the mini's at. Oh yeah. We previously did a job over at that house over there. So right now we're gonna set up the GoPro. The boys are moving all the pavers and let's get started. Inspection's supposed to be at 9, but it did get moved to 12. So let's go check out what we've been able to do within the last couple of days that we've been in and out of this project. So as you guys can see, we got the gas line trenched and in, waiting for inspection. I also dropped off some drainage pipe and everything else we need for the irrigation. Okay, so we also trenched for the irrigation right now, but as I was bringing in the stuff, some dirt went into the trench, so we got to clean it up. And then so as you guys previously saw, we are doing 2 fire pits, barbecue right there. We are just going to move the line over a little bit, but that's going to be after the fact that we pass inspection, just due to time. So I'm super excited about this project. It's going to be a game changer for Longhorn. This year we've been doing a lot less jobs, but more high-end jobs, and I'm okay with that, you know. So super excited about what 2025 is going to bring to us. That coming up that hill was a little hard, but yeah, let's go. Way down we go. So way down we go. Way down we go. Whoa, you let your feet run. Guys, we have a huge problem at the job site. We had my mule break down. The throttle cable seems to be stuck and we can't even move it. So the guys just pushed it right now and they tied the winch that it does have, and we're just gonna winch it back up. Depending on what the situation turns out to be, I've already swapped out an engine on this. Do you think it might be time to buy a new mule? So now we have to do things old-fashioned way. We're going to have to do it by wheelbarrow and go down the hill till Mike is able to come out and fix the mule. Let's go take a look. Way down we go. Chapo, aquí ¿qué es lo que estás haciendo?
Aquí andamos figurando unos escalones.
¿Y cómo los estás figurando?
Primero la altura para saber cuántos escalones van a hacer, y ya después la distancia para dividirlos.
Oh no.
Pero si no sigue la quita la
down to the door. Yeah, someday we run you down till you fall. And they will run you down till you fall. way down we go.
We're taking delivery of these porcelain tiles that we're going to be installing. It's our first time installing porcelain on an actual paver patio. I'm super excited about it.
And they will run you down till you go, yeah, till you can't grow no more. And where down we go, where down we go, say where down we go. Oh, 'cause say we run you down to your car, oh, way down we go.
We're pulling up to Chris's job site and let's go show you guys the progress. So we had to pull up some of the porcelain because we had to build the art forms, and when we were building them we shattered a couple, but now we're just doing the cuts to them, and let me tell you guys, it looks super good. So here's the art forms, super nice cuts. They look good. All right guys, so right here, we're going to be doing the barbecue island. We're going to be doing 2 art forms. So we have 36 inches. Essentially, it's gonna be at this joint right here where we have to pull it up, and then we'll make the cuts nice and flush, make it look good.
We go, way down we go. So where down we go, way down we go.
Well, you guys, it's the time of the year. We got some rain, and it is what it is, right? Let's have a good attitude about it. Good thing we're just building the barbecue right now, and we're not really doing anything other than that. But it's gonna be good. So, quick little update. We're going to be installing retaining wall block right here, all the way around for the in-ground trampoline. That way it has a nice space to sit on. So that's gonna be cool. Now, right here, we got the barbecue in. This is so good, looks sick. Super excited about it. And then there's gonna be a griddle area right here. And yeah, how cool is this? Everything else looks super clean. We added this band around for the planter. Got the rock, DG. Plants get here on Thursday. The grass is doing really good. We're moving along in this project. I'm super excited. So next thing on our list is going to be the trampoline, and then working our way out this way.
So where down we go, way down we go. Whoa, you let your feet run wild. Time has come as we all go down. Yeah, but for the fall, ooh,
able to get these FX lights that we ordered a couple of months ago. It took them honestly quite a bit of time for them to arrive, but we got them now, so that's good. We got all these path lights, super cool. FX for the win. Let's go see the progress that we've made here. We've been here for about 3 weeks right now. It's a beauty. It's a beauty. It's taken a lot of time, a lot of detailed work that's going on at this job site, but I'm super happy with the results so far, and hopefully we're done sometime this week. So they got all the retaining walls done. Looks super cool. For this project, we decided to do porcelain pavers because they'll give us that sleek, modern look that they have accomplished with this backyard. The designer did a great job in choosing the correct materials along with my clients. We usually hardly ever install porcelain, but now after doing our first job in porcelain, I think we're gonna start selling more of these modern 2x2 squares because they make everything look so sleek. It's super nice. I actually really like it, and it's something that I would actually want to install at my house. With these luxurious homes, you know, they have the views, they have everything. So why not maximize your outdoor living space with something nice, luxurious? Like, think about it. You come outside, you're looking at the view, you're sitting by the fire pit, and you got an amazing patio. Like, that's a win in my book. Guys, we have completed this project. It's been a while since we completed it, but the weather wasn't cooperating with us, and then we had to start other projects. But let's go check this out. So as we're coming down the steps, we did a planter area. We did these retaining walls, beautiful steeple crest in the color Riviera. Same thing here. We did 3 of these guys, and they look fabulous. These at nighttime look really good. We also did this landing area right here with porcelain tiles. This is super bougie, looks great. When wet, it does not get slippery, so that's a win in my book. As we're coming out this way, we did these stepping stones in the same porcelain tiles. We did some grass, trampoline area. Whew. These path lights, you're able to control through your phone with using the Lexor app. These are FX lights. These lights are super expensive, but I highly recommend them. So we did a barbecue island with the Bellegarde art forms. We did bull barbecues. We did a 6-burner barbecue, 38-inch. We did the griddle. This is probably my favorite thing in an outdoor kitchen. And then they did a pizza oven. We did some storage. And then the access door. They also did a granite backsplash on the wall. This thing is sick. So we also built these fire pits out of Bellegarde art forms. These give you a really sleek look. It makes everything look so modern. I'm personally a big fan of these. You can literally put a lounge chair right here in the middle and just relax. You're gonna get the sun and the fire pit. Like right now it's 30 degrees and I'm not cold right here. All right, let's continue this way. We did some more stepping stones, another lawn, and the lawn took off already. Great, fabulous. We did a soldier core span all the way around. We added some boulders, some more stepping stones, paver border just to make everything tie in and look sleek. Super happy about it. And then this is the dog area, as you guys can see. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video.